Let's open the windows of our hearts and peep outside to see little raindrops. Meet the glorious sun, a rainbow forming, cheer, joy and great fun.
ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर।
The Hasti Public School, established in the year 2002 by respected late Sri Shantilalji Jain Pappaji and founder and mainstay of Hasti Cooperative Bank, respected Sri Kantilalji Jain Kakaji. Hasti Public School, Dondaicha is well known in the academic world for its excellence. It guides children for righteous path and motivates them to do better. Holistic development of children and teachers is what we believe in and work for. We strive to achieve this by imbibing an unique value system, transparent work culture, excellent academic and physical environment, conducive to learning, activity and technology transfer. Our mandate is to generate, preserve and share knowledge for developing a vibrant society. School develops appropriate policy opportunities to develop specific individual area of progress. School emphasizes on learning through discoveries wherein teacher is trained to exploit individual children's interest in order to make sure each child obtain the information most to do his/her personal and individual development. Here we present in brief the various curricular and extracurricular activities conducted to develop students' personality and inculcate the values and to develop the left hand side and right hand side of the brain equally. Execution of curriculum starts with the General Assembly, wherein children are given adequate exposure to express themselves, to help each other in making cue, greeting each other and to become vocal in saying shloka, tables, stories, rhymes, etc. Our school follow the 7-petal approach, which ensures the sequential learning techniques for the holistic development of every child in the 7 skill areas. The 7 skill areas are fine motor skill, gross motor skill, language development, cognitive development, personality development, nurturing individual potential and socio-emotional development. What is the fine motor skill? Fine motor control generally refers to control over the small movements of the hands and fingers as well as the small muscles of the face and mouth, tongue and feet. However, the focus is usually on developing the skills of the small muscles in the hands. We are taking these activities to improve students' fine motor skill. Scribbling, make ball by crushing paper, finger and footprints, blowing balloons, thumb printing, collage work, vegetable prints, sand tracing, placing beads in the fingers and clay work. Gross motor skill. Gross motor skills are involved in movements and coordination of the arms, legs and other large body parts and movements. We are taking these activities to improve gross motor development. Climbing, running, balancing, sports day, games in and out, up and down. Language development. Languages are generally taught and assessed in terms of the four skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening and reading are known as respective skills, while speaking and writing are known as productive skills. We are taking these activities to improve language development. Reading, English phonics, reading 2-letter, 3-letter words, talking pen, mobile app, shloka recitation. Cognitive development. Cognitive development is the emergence of ability to think and understand. A large portion of research has gone into understanding how a child imagines the world. Jean Piaget was a major force in the establishment of this field, forming his theory of cognitive development. We are taking these activities to improve cognitive development. Arrange the numbers, logic boards, memory game, different shapes from matchsticks, counting beads, science exhibition, concept of floating and sinking. Personality development. Personality development is the relatively enduring patterns of thoughts, feelings and behaviors that distinguish individual from one another. It is becoming a better version of yourself. We are taking these activities to improve personality. Speech competition, solo dance competition, fancy dress competition, good manners like tie shoelace, clothes folding, toilet manners, rhymes recitation and storytelling. Nurturing individual potential focuses on encouraging creativity and nurturing talent in every child. Our curriculum encourages children to express their creative ideas by providing them opportunities to dance, sing, draw, paint, create, tell stories, act, play sports and games. We are taking these activities to nurturing individual. Drawing competition, games, speech competition, storytelling competition, rhymes recitation and color day. Socio-emotional development. It includes the child's experience, expression and management of emotion and the ability to establish positive and rewarding relationship with others. It encompasses both intra and interpersonal process. We are taking these activities to improve socio-emotional development. Holi, family photo, Rakhi making, Navratri, Balika Pujan we are taking, blind day, plantation. Including these, our school conducts a lot of activities for the progress of our children. Classrooms are decorated for effective and purposeful transaction of syllabus. Teaching aids support the learning. Our school teachers are trained in making teaching aids. These nicely crafted, colorful teaching aids generate interest among tiny tots and make learning rejoiceful. Our school walls also attracts our students to learn more and more. Our school celebrating every child's birthday in assembly. We offer students books or toys as a gift. Competitions. Competitions play a role in motivating students to perform and excel and offer a lot more reward than just the winning prize competitions. After a chance for participants to get, it increases students' stage daring. We are conducting following competitions: rhymes competition, storytelling competition, Ganpati idol making competition, drawing competition, table recitation competition, number identification competition, speech competition, Manache Shlok competition, fancy dress competition, solo dance competition, science exhibition and Sarvodaya Award scholarship exam.
खोल खोल खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे
Festivals. Festival celebration is the culture we got from our past generation. Festivals bring families together. Every festival adds its own meaning and related beautifully to life and brings lot of happiness, color and prosperity to our life. We are celebrating this festival throughout the year. आषाढ़ी एकादशी, रक्षाबंधन, टीचर्स डे, दही हंडी, होली, गुरु पूर्णिमा, नाग पंचमी, शिवरात्रि and Navratri. Outdoor visits. Outdoor visits gives the experience of outside world to learn and observe the working of different people and professionals. They are taken to different places like temple, farmhouse, greengrocer, fruit shop, flower shop, grain grocer, sources of water, bank, post office, railway station, bus stand, flour mills, fields, cattle farms, garden and to swimming pools. Our school organizing annual gathering to every child to display his or her ability. Our school organizes annual sport day. Students presented pyramids, march past and mass PT with colorful lights. Different assessment tools designed are used to assess the progress of child, like convocation ceremony to see how much a child has learned and how many skills a child has mastered. School is constantly working hard to bring about all around development of students. We are thankful to the parents for their trust and cooperation. We take this opportunity to thank the management for the encouragement and guidance given from us time to time. Thank you.